Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. And basically we have three options how to check it. The first one, we can find this information at the box. At the top, right here, at the left top, we have serial number. You can check it right here. Also, you can find serial number at your speaker. So, at the right side, right here, we have the plug, and here's USB-C port. We need to open this plug. And at the plug, we have serial number. So, right here, you can check it. Now, the last option is to use an application. You need to open SOUNDCORE app. Of course, your speaker should be connected with the application. Tap at your speaker. Now, go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have serial number. So you can check it here, and near to the serial number we have copy icon. So you can click on it and copy your serial number and then paste it in somewhere. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!